Precautions to be taken while using secondary data. So, secondary data are those data which have been collected by somebody else. Therefore, it is highly desirable that a proper checkup of such data is made before they are used by the investigator. We never know whether the data collected are completely right, and it is very much necessary for us to be safe while taking public statistics at their face value. So a proper precaution should be taken while using secondary data, and the main important precautions to be taken into consideration are: firstly, the investigator must ensure that suitable data are there and it should be suitable for the purpose of the inquiry. It must be seen by the investigator that the purpose for which the data were originally collected is suitable for the purpose of investigation now that we are taking up. That is, an investigator may, in the past, may take up the data for their own motive, and our purpose for investigation may be different. So we must keep in mind this. Secondly, the investigator should also see whether the data are adequate for the investigation. It must be properly seen that there are enough data and adequacy of data for our requirements. Number 3, the investigator must ensure that the data were collected from reliable sources. For the reliability of the data, we must think about the following consideration, that is, the status of the agency or authority which collected the data. Was the collection agency unbiased? The method used for collecting the data, were the employed enumerators efficient and trained? So this must be kept in our mind before collecting secondary data and before using those data for our investigation purpose. So in conclusion, we can say that if data are found satisfactory in all respects, then only they can be used. Otherwise, they are going to give us inaccurate and unsuitable and incorrect results of our survey.